Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change button text on hover in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write the plus add-on for Elementor. So this is plugin, the plus add-on for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see plus setting and then you see plus widget. So click on it. Then we are in plus widgets and then you see button enable and then click on save. Now go to Elementor page, refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page. On left side you see search widget. So write here button and then you see TP button. So drag and drop. Now button widget edit. Now you see read more. On left side you see content style advanced and then in content you see button style. So we are going to change button text on hover. Now you see drop down style 1. Now select. You have 20 style. Now select 4. Now you see text hover text. Now select another. Again you see. So you can select style according to your requirement. So I select style 4 and then you see text read more hover text, click here. Now you see and then you see layout, icon setting, style. So you can set margin, padding, color scheme according to your requirement. So in this way you can change button text on hover effect using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.